Okay, Mopar fans, here it is, all cleaned up, ready for tonight's cruise in at Hooters, Sarasota, Florida. We're going up there and have some beers and look at some cars. and, well, anyway, you get the idea. So, for those of you that have not seen this one yet, this is a 67 Coronet RT, original 440, 4-speed, A833 transmission, Dana rear end, 323 sure grip, and car's really nice. For those of you already heard, it originates up out of Long Island. Original owner bought it April of '67, went to Vietnam, came back. Car went into deep storage for many years, and was restored in around the 2012 time frame. And then the original owner passed away 2017, exactly 50 years of ownership, and the son had it. And then I bought it off consignment off a place right up there in Long Island. So evidently they put it away in the wintertime because it's all original panel car, super solid, real nice condition. Let's have a look under the bonnet for those of you. Okay. Yeah, I took a look at all the date codes and everything. The original engine, the cast date is about 3 months before, and the assembly date on the pad is 1 week before the build on the car. So it's fair to assume it's the original engine. In '67, there was no such thing as numbers match. So the best you have is like date code, and I'm like 100% certain that's the original engine because of the dates. Manifolds, blah, blah, blah. Radiator, everything date codes to the car. And it even has that special block hugger for the 67 RT, that block hugger, special number exhaust manifold. So that's the one thing I did is I did work on the grill. I completely redid the engine bay, redetailed the engine, and all with ceramic high temp coatings and whatnot. And well, anyway, just a nice complete car. So take a look up the passenger side. Yep, really nice job on the paint and body work. The people that did it up in New York seem to have done a very nice job. And also they took their time to really redo the dash and all the bright metal. And the top of that console is all brand new. So interior is super nice condition. All the interior door handles, the ring, and everything's real nice shape. Not concourse, but you know, that's the idea. I drive this car everywhere. It's not a trailer queen, and I love driving it because it's such a smooth driving car. And yes, big time torque. So another thing I did is I went through the trunk and detailed things in there. Let's have a quick look. You'll see the factory undercoating. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Yeah, the jack was all detailed, beautiful. And you'll see factory undercoating and over here as well. So all original panel car, beautiful shape, good condition. And let's have a look under here. There you go. Whoa, somebody's got to get in there and clean that out and wipe that down. But real solid, beautiful car. And yeah, so anyway. And just for those of you that may not know, Dodge Division debuted the RT, Road and Track, first on the Coronet RT for 1967 only. So this is the first RT model for Dodge. The rest of the RT models followed in 68, the Charger and so on and so forth. So what you've got is the first RT product, 440 powered. You could get a Hemi as an option, so it's either 440 or Hemi. Road and track. You could buy this, drive it to work during the week, take it to the track on the weekend, and be very competitive. So there you have it, Dodge fans. The first RT ever, a real black on black, all original panel, all original engine and trans and rear end car from Long Island, and it lives here in South Florida. Thank you very much. Gause Garage.